Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Fantastic Machinery. Aerial journey through Sawmill UAV footage will take you up close and personal through the complete sawing process we use at the INVA factory. Hold on tight and see if you can keep up with the tour. In the intricate world of lumber processing, the journey begins with the skilled hands of a merchandiser meticulously orchestrating the infeed of raw timber. Each log, a unique specimen, undergoes a comprehensive species analysis, setting the stage for the precision of cut-to-length saws. These formidable machines, equipped with cutting-edge technology, transform the timber into manageable sections ready for the next phase. Species and size sorting bins come into play, acting as the gatekeepers of the lumber's destiny. The bins, strategically designed, ensure that each piece finds its rightful place, setting the foundation for an organized and efficient workflow. As the sorted timber moves forward, it enters the heart of the operation, the sawmill infeed. Here, the hum of machinery resonates, signaling the beginning of a transformative journey. The debarker takes center stage, stripping away the outer layers to reveal the raw beauty beneath. The process ensures a clean slate for what lies ahead, setting the standard for quality. The journey continues with the step-up hewsaw infeed, where precision meets expertise. The hewsaw operator, a maestro in their own right, guides the timber through the intricate dance of blades, shaping it into the desired form. Moving forward, the planer outfeed marks a crucial transition. Boards emerge, now kiln-dried, boasting a smooth finish that speaks to the craftsmanship invested in each piece. The meticulous trimming that follows is not merely a technicality, it's a commitment to creating the best value in lumber quality. As the boards reach their final form, the stacker takes over, arranging them with precision. Secured by sturdy bands and wrapped for protection, the lumber stands as a testament to the dedication woven into every step of the process. From the raw infeed to the final product, this lumber mill is a symphony of skill, technology, and commitment, producing not just wood but a legacy of quality and craftsmanship.
Crafting with precision, a 220-year-old Yoshino Hinoki wood sawing machine meticulously shaped planks of extraordinary dimensions. With deftness, it seamlessly processed 4.6 meters of 500 millimeters width and 3 meters of 600 millimeters width, skillfully eliminating any imperfections such as knots. Each cut, a testament to the machine's enduring craftsmanship, revealed the timeless beauty of the Hinoki wood, known for its aromatic fragrance and remarkable durability. As the saw blade danced through the ancient grains, it echoed the legacy of centuries past, connecting the hands of artisans across time. This symbiosis of tradition and technology yielded flawlessly refined planks, ready to be transformed into enduring works of art or architectural marvels.
At the heart of this apparatus lies a powerful motor, its rhythmic hum echoing in the workshop as it translates electricity into kinetic energy. The cutting-edge design incorporates adjustable features, allowing craftsmen to tailor the machine to the unique demands of each project. Be it intricate furniture pieces or sturdy structural elements, the wood sawing machine effortlessly adapts to diverse requirements. The whir of the saw blade slicing through timber is a symphony of productivity, creating symmetrical cuts and smooth finishes. Safety mechanisms are seamlessly integrated, ensuring the well-being of operators as they guide the wood through the meticulously designed cutting path. This marriage of technology and tradition enables artisans to elevate their creations, pushing the boundaries of woodworking possibilities. As wood chips cascade from the machine, the intoxicating scent of freshly cut timber permeates the air, a sensory reminder of the craftsmanship taking place. The wood sawing machine, with its precision and power, stands as a testament to human ingenuity, shaping raw materials into tangible works of art in a mesmerizing dance of engineering and creativity. Thank you for joining us in exploring the aerial journey through the sawmill. Today's video is over and we can't wait to hear what you think. How did you find this process? Please share your comments with us. If you find the content informative or interesting, show your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing it with others. Don't miss out on future updates by subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more insightful videos in the future. Hello and see you in our upcoming content.